What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a look at how industry producers master their beats. So let's get right into this. Alright guys, so this is probably going to be a little bit different than you're used to. So what I'm going to do is turn off my master chain here, so I'm not going to be clipping the master at all. And as you can see, it's going way over right now. So what I'm going to do really quick is I'm going to get this under 0. And if it's going over a tiny bit, that's perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to highlight everything and we're going to export this. Okay, I'm going to export this as a wave. Alright, so we're making a new live set now and we're going to set it to the same BPM. We're just going to make an audio track and throw it in here. Alright, I'm going to highlight a section that we're going to pick to master, so the first part of the drop is always a good place. And I'm going to be using the master chain from my drum pack. The link is in the description if you guys don't know about that yet. Alright, so we're going to start with our fresh air here and just add a little bit of the mids and highs. I'm going to turn this gain down another -4 here. I don't want it to clip from any of the effects that we're adding. Alright, next is the golf os. Okay, so I put this down to a -1 now. We're still right below 0, so we're doing good. And the last thing to do is the clipper, and this is where all the magic's going to happen, because this is going to give us full control over how much we're clipping. So right now we're not even going over 0. And what we can do is we can actually turn up the gain and get it to the right amount to where it's clipping it just enough, but it's not making it disgusting. Because before we rendered this out, you can see it was going like 5.6 over at one point or whatever. So you're already clipping 5.6 at that point. So now that we have it below 0, we can add exactly how much we want to make it perfect. This is the cleanest way to do it. And this part is all up to your ears and whatever you think sounds good. So you could smash this and make it really hard, or you could just do a little bit of light clipping to it. It's going to be all up to your preference. So let's look at a couple different values. If we wanted something a little bit harder of a clip, we could go for something like this. You can see how that's just clipping it way too much. So I'd say 6 is right around the hard clip area, because if you go too much past that, it's game over. It starts clipping it way too much. Now, if we wanted a lighter compression, or if we go anything over a dB or a little bit less than that, we're clipping. So we can go anywhere between this and 6. So that still sounds really good right there, and it's clipping it a moderate amount. But let's turn it up a little more. I think this track needs a little bit more. I think right there sounds perfect, 5.7, so just a little bit below that 6. And then once you're happy with your master, you're just going to repeat the step we did before. Go ahead and grab your whole clip here, and then we're going to export it this time. And then this time you don't have to make it a wave, you can do an MP3. We only made it a wave before so that we made sure we had all the data when we were mastering it. But now that we have it mixed and mastered, you don't technically have to have the full wave file. You can get away with the MP3. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude the video on how to do professional mastering, like how the industry producers do it. And if any producers see this and get mad at me, sorry man, that just means that you're going to have to level up on your craft even more because we're coming after you. Anyways gang, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Make sure to smash that like button if you like this one, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here because we're uploading daily videos that you're not going to want to miss out on. But besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.